Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic about time and direction. There are the four main directions: east, west, north, and south. If you stand facing the rising sun, the east is in front of you, the south is to your right, the north is to your left, and behind you is the west. The sun rises in the east each morning. It seems to move across the sky during the day. The sun sets in the west each evening. The sun appears to move from east to west each day. But the sun does not move. It is the earth which turns. The earth rotates from west to east. One side of the earth faces the sun. It is day on that side. The other side faces away from the sun. It is night there. As the earth rotates, different places get day and night. Now we see rotation of the earth. The earth keeps turning. We say it is spinning. The earth is spinning on an imaginary line called its axis. It is this spinning that gives us day and night. The earth turns all the way around its axis every 24 hours. Each hour has 60 parts. Each part is called a minute. There are 60 seconds in a minute. Next is Earth orbit. The Earth also moves around the Sun. The path around the Sun is called its orbit. The Earth takes about 365 days to complete one orbit around the Sun. Shadow is made when something blocks the light. We see our shadows when we block the sunlight. The size of the shadow changes during the day. The sun looks low in the sky in early morning. We see long shadows of objects in the morning. The sun looks high in the sky at noon. We see short shadows at noon. The sun looks again low in the sky in the last part of the day. We see long shadows at this time. Now we see directions of shadows. In morning, shadows fall towards the west. In noon, shadows are shortest, and in evening, shadows fall towards the east. Shadows change direction during the day because the sun appears to move across the sky. These are the back exercise and question answers of this chapter. I hope it helped you understand the topic better. Thank you.